Hi, and welcome to this video about our research paper, That's the Way I Dislike It, Effect of Gamer Types and Competitiveness in VR Exergames. Exergames, being video games which heavily incorporate exercise, can motivate users to exercise when they otherwise wouldn't have. This is important as a growing number of adults aren't meeting the recommended minimum exercise levels, with a lack of exercise being primary causes of many chronic conditions. Are you competitive in sports, or are you competitive in games? Do you think there is a difference? Our research addresses a research gap found in literature to determine whether a difference exists in competitiveness between the domains of sports and gaming. We investigate this because exergames combine both gaming and sports, and it's important to determine whether one form of competitiveness may be more related than the other to motivation during exergaming. Known as personalisation, games can be designed to appropriately accommodate a wide range of people with different personality types. Therefore, it remains important to know which personality types of many may correlate with motivation and exertion during exergaming. How can we measure gaming competitiveness? As no validated questionnaire existed for measuring such a thing, we adapted another questionnaire commonly used in related literature. The Sports Orientation Questionnaire, or SOQ, has three subscales describing competitive nature during sports. These include the win orientation, goal orientation, and general competitiveness. We created two modified versions of the shortened SOQ, with each question specifying the domain of competitiveness, either gaming or sports. This resulted in 6 subscales, 3 for competitiveness in sports, known as SOQS, and 3 for competitiveness in gaming, known as SOQG. While entering the domain of gaming, we wanted to compare our subscales to other emerging taxonomies to better understand motivation in an exergame environment. In our study, we measured information about gamer types from Hexad, as it has shown promise for personalization of mobile exergames, but has yet to be investigated in a VR context. We designed the exergame shown in the background with motivational strategies targeting win orientation with an AI opponent and goal orientation with a ghost opponent. Our design requirements were centered around high usability, quality, inclusiveness, and consistency. Simple hands-free controls increased usability and interactive elements increased quality. With a high score as a goal, the exergame was inclusive to any fitness level, and opponent conditions were intentionally similar for fairer comparisons. We conducted a user study with 38 participants to answer 2 research questions. Firstly, does users' self-assessed competitiveness differ for sports and gaming? The short answer is yes. While competitive orientations in the domain of sports and gaming are very similar, notable differences are present. Overall, we found that competitive gaming orientations could be more informative than sport orientations of users' intrinsic motivation to play exergames. Our second research question revealed what the relationship was between gamer types and self-assessed competitiveness in sports and gaming, with motivation and performance in VR exergames. Correlations between users' physical performance and personality types were mainly independent. However, many insightful correlations were found between competitiveness, gamer types, and motivation. Overall, our results revealed that while gaming competitiveness was more informative than sports competitiveness, the achiever gamer type from Hexad was the most informative of motivation to play our exergame. Many more additional findings were included in our research, but what can we conclude from the main findings? Competitiveness is definitely dependent on domain, and the gaming domain may be more relevant for a VR exergame. Additionally, Hexad has promise to be effective for personalization in a VR exergame.